Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, what chapter 4 cumulative assessment retirement. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp number and my email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this assignment and this complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. We will go to multi-lab Pearson, go to what chapter 4, cumulative assessment retirement. We will download this file in our PC. Click on continue button. Okay, click on download all material button. Download material button, click on download all files. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. Go to our PC download folder. First we will open instruction file. Click on enable editing button. So let's start our assignment. Okay, the title of assignment is Exp22 What Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Retirement. I will increase the font size of this title for a proper view in my video, so I will highlight. My art student will be read very easily. XP22 What Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Retirement. Under this project description to get idea about your project. Okay, so moving on instruction. Okay, question number 1 is that start word, download and open the file name XP22 What Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Retirement Documents. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download what file from Pearson at eLab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. So I am going to opening my file which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Click on enable editing button first. Okay. So we will move on. Next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is that ensure that the markup view is all markup. Okay. On the second page, reject the deletion of the word now, change the view to no markup and ensure that the word is not duplicated. Removing any additional text as necessary so that only the word now is shown at the end of the sentence. Ensure that the markup view is all markup. Go to the review tab. In the markup group, click on show markup button and click on all markup. Select all markup. Okay. On the second page, reject the deletion of on the second page, reject the deletion of word now, change the view to no markup. Okay. On the second page, this is the second page. Delete this word now, or we will go to the review tab. In the track markup group, click on tracking button. We will click on reject button. Reject change. Okay, you can see I have reject the change. Reject the deletion of the word now. Change the view to no markup. So change the view to no markup. We will go to the review tab in the markup group. So show no markup. Okay, and then ensure that the word is not duplicated, removing any additional text as necessary so that only the word now is shown at the end of the sentence. Okay, ensure that word is not duplicated. So we will move on question number 3. Question number 3 has 8 points. Accept all other track changes in the document and stop tracking. Keep all comments. Accept all other tracking changes in the document and stop tracking. Keep all comments. Go to the review tab in the compare group. Click on tracking button. Click on accept. Accept all changes and stop tracking button. Okay. Keep all comments. So I have done this question. So moving on question number 4. Change the view to simple markup and ensure that documents comments are shown. Change all headings as indicated by comments in the document. First, we will change the view to simple markup. Go to the review tab in the markup group, change to simple markup. Select simple markup. Okay, view is now simple markup. And then ensure that document comments are shown. Change all headings as included by comments in the document. Okay, we will select all headings. Go to the home tab. Go to the style. We will apply heading. Okay, so we will select next heading. Traditional individual retirement arrangement. Go to the style. We will apply heading style. Heading to style. So we will select third headings. Go to the style group and we will apply heading to style. So we will select next heading and go to the home tab in the style group. We will apply heading to style. Okay, so we will select next heading. Go to the home tab in the style group, apply text heading to style. So next heading selected and apply style heading to style. So we will select next heading conclusion and we will apply heading to style. Okay, this heading was who can participate in 403. We will select this heading and we will apply heading 2 style, heading 3 style, sorry. So we'll select this and then you can see I have done. Moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that reply to the first comment by typing done. Do not include a period. Mark the first two comments related to heading style as resolved. Okay, reply to first comment by typing done. Simply, we will reply to the first comment by typing done. Okay, we will go to the first comment, click on reply, we will type done and control plus enter to post. We will post the comment right now. Press control plus enter or this blue arrow. The comment will be posted right now. Okay, mark the first two comments related to heading style as resolved. Mark the first two comments related to heading. We will resolved thread. We will click on resolved thread button. Okay, so we'll select a second comment and click on resolved thread button. Okay, first two comment related to heading style as resolved. So moving on, next question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions so far. Question number 6 is that change the writing style to APA 6th edition. Apply the following formatting to all pages on the document except the cover page. Okay, document is double spaced with the exception of included table. The first line of every paragraph included a first line indent of 0.5 inches. With the exception of heading lines, the included table and bullets line, no paragraph spacing is included. Okay. First, we will change the writing style to APA 6th edition. Okay. Go to the references tab in the citation and bibliography group. Click on writing style box. We will select APA writing style 6th edition. Apply the following format to all pages of the document except cover page. Document is double spaced. First point of this question is that document is double spaced. We will select all documents and then We will apply document is double space. We will select this document, go to the home tab in the paragraph group, open paragraph launcher box, space is double, we will select double space, click on OK button. So we will select next document is here, we will select this all document and go to the home tab in the paragraph group, click on paragraph launcher box. We will apply length spacing is double, click on OK button. So we will select next paragraph, next document. Okay. Go to the home tab in the paragraph launcher box. Line spacing is double. Select double. Click on OK button. Okay, this is so good. The first line of every paragraph include a first line indent of 0.5 inches. Okay, the first line of with the exception of heading line to include table and bulleted lines. Okay, we will select and go to the home tab in the paragraph launcher box. Special is first line, click on OK button. So we will select next paragraph, go to the home tab in the paragraph launcher box. Okay, it's also special is first line. So moving on next paragraph, we will select this paragraph, go to paragraph launcher box. Special is first line, click on OK button. So moving on next paragraph, we will select this paragraph, go to the home tab in the paragraph launcher box, open paragraph launcher box and special is first line, select first line, click on OK button. So we will move on next paragraph and we will select this next paragraph, go to the paragraph launcher box and then special is first line, click on OK button. Okay, so we will select next paragraph is here and we will go to the home tab in the paragraph group, open paragraph launcher box, open our paragraph launcher box, go to the special box, select first line and click on OK button. So we will select this paragraph, go to the home tab in the paragraph launcher box, go to the special, we will select first line in the special box, click on OK. You can see I have done the last paragraph selected is here. Go to the paragraph launcher box, go to the special, select first line, click on OK button. Okay, you can see I have done this question. No paragraph included, spacing is included. Okay, so we will select this all paragraph and then go to paragraph launcher box and then line spacing is none or 0. Okay, so we will select this paragraph, go to paragraph launcher box and then spacing is 0. It's also just sure for checking to line spacing is 0. Okay, we will check for this paragraph line spacing, it's 0. Click on OK, it's also 0. This is good. So we will check for this paragraph line spacing. Okay, 0. So we'll check for next paragraph's line spacing. Go to the paragraph launcher box. We will check line spacing is here is 0. Okay, it's okay. We will check for all paragraph line spacing 0. So the next line spacing is 0. You can see I have done 6 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question is 15. I have done 70% of assignment in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development and many more online courses. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and or email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all assignments project, art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.